This is the project pitch and update video for the research project. My research project is the expansivity of Auckland soils and how to treat them with lime. This is presented by myself, Daniel Tilsley, and the supervisor for this project is Kim de Graaf. A brief overview of the research project is that the expansive clay samples will be tested initially as a control, then different lime percentages will be added from 3%, 5% and 7%. The soil mechanics will be then tested for each different percentages and compared. The aims and objectives learnt from the literature review is that lime has a greater effect than cement, so only lime will be tested and not cement. There is concern over shrink and swell bias that needs to be accounted for. Clay minerals that we are most interested in are montmorillonite, kaolinite and halloysite. There needs to be an effective mixing method, and the physical processes and mechanics of the clays need to be accounted for and thought about. Progress so far is that on the 20th of April we went to site in Albany to do some odometer rings, push tubes, hand augers and sample collection. We have then started the lab testing where we did PSDs, Atterberg limits for all 4 holes within the top meter, and we've started our SEM analysis. You can see this is the comparison between the 2 Gantt charts. The top Gantt chart is our initial and the bottom is the updated. As you can see, a fair chunk of practical work has been completed, but there's still a lot more to go. Future work to be done is to mix the samples in an effective way. Some more tests will need to be conducted throughout the soils, including if there is a change with more clay or more plasticity within deeper hand augers. More SEM analysis needs to be done, and the dissertation can be started and the results can be compared.